science what? Science what? Experiments. Yep. Today we are going to learn about polymers. Do you know what a polymer is?
No.
I don't really either. Polymers are a combination of large molecules that all stick together. The first thing I'm going to show you is a polymer experiment. You can do this at home if you have a necklace. See, Autumn found her necklace. She does not want to ruin her necklace, so she doesn't want to cut it. But luckily, I got this out of a science activity bag from the library. So you can check that out if you want to do it. If you have necklaces like this at home, it's very easy to just make a cut and make one long strand of necklace. All right, so this is the way polymers work. Each one of these is a molecule. That's what molecules make up everything around us. And this is a long string of molecules. Watch what happens, girls, and then I'm going to let you try it. Watch what happens. Is that cool? So all of those circles are stuck together, or spheres are stuck together. Yeah, is that pretty cool? Would you like to try to do that?
I love the green.
Wait, they're all hooked. Wait, let me show you the trick. The trick to making this act like a polymer is, watch Violet and watch Autumn. You take one end and you put it in, and then you have to slowly feed in. Yep, Autumn's getting the hang of it. She's getting it. You guys can help. All right, we have to slowly put it in. We don't want it to get tangled. If it gets tangled, it won't work. Look, there's a tangle. Uh-oh. We have to undo it. There we go. Uh-oh, you guys are helping. Good. Hey, Violet, make sure there's no more tangles.
Yep. Tingle.
Uh-oh, another tangle. Get rid of the tangle. It's got to go in with one end and then everything else on top. Uh-oh. Let's... There we go. Wait. Don't pull too hard. All right. Another tangle. Oh, my goodness. That's what happens with these necklaces, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right. This is also about momentum. If we don't, wait, stop. If we don't start this, or if we do it right there, is that gonna work? Wait, is that gonna fall down? What do you have to do to make it work? Okay, so Violet's gonna try it all by herself. What do you have to do, Violet? Wow, good job. Just like a strand of polymer. Uh-oh, I got caught on that one. There you go. Got to get momentum going. There. Just tip it a little bit. Hey. There we go. You have to put it in very carefully. Okay, pass it over to your sister. Pass the cup over to your sister. Pass the cup. Yep, and then we have to put it in. Yep, everybody help. If we do it just right, then it should all come out all at once. And you want to probably hold it up higher. Remember, you can do this at home. If you have a necklace, you can take the necklace apart, or you can check out the science activity bag at the library. You guys they got a little bit silly. No, don't grab it. All right, let go. Let's get it in there, and then it's going to be Autumn's turn. You can also check out the science activity bag that has this in it, along with a bunch of other science experiments. You can bring that home and do it over and over again. All right, Autumn, what do we have to do? Hold the handle up high, and then I'm going to let you start it. Hold it up high. Whoa. Wow, that was a perfect one. Good job. It all depends on how you put it in there. You want it to layer on top. All right. Thanks for watching. Okay, another kind of polymer we're going to use with these little mermaids. You might have got one of these for a prize from the summer learning program. We're going to put the mermaid, we're going to put the mermaid in there and your mermaid in here. And then I'm going to show you a different kind of polymer. This is called a super absorbent polymer. Do you see?
Can I see?
Yep. Do you see these three little balls? Little tiny crystals. Yep, she has to look pretty close. Get your nose on here. All right. Look at these in this clear cup. Watch. We're going to let that sit for a little bit, and we're going to check it in a little while. Nothing's happening yet, but it will, because you want to see what it looks like when it's been sitting in water for a long time. Yes?
Yes.
Put your hand out.
Oh.
Is does that look the same or does it look different?
It looks different.
Don't push it too hard because it could break. These are called super
Can you eat
absorbent. No, you can't eat it.
Oh, what?
Those are to plant in gardens so that it helps spread the water. If it's not in water, then it gets as small as what I showed you. Remember the first ones? They were kind of hard. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make your mermaids.
Can you get more?
You can, yes. But right now we're gonna make your mermaids disappear. So sit by your mermaid.
What? It's gonna disappear.
Yeah, it's gonna disappear. So here's what we're gonna do.
Look at the blood.
These polymer beads have really cool qualities.
They're
They
squishy
hold onto the
too.
water. They are squishy. Whoop, sorry, mermaid. Can you hold that up for me? Can you put her up while I fill it up? What was I saying? The polymer holds lots of water and it also refracts light. So these are things that people plant in their garden to keep it moist, and they use it. It's used in all kinds of things. In 2 weeks, when we do another science, we're going to show you how it's used in diapers. Ew. All right.
Baby diapers.
So if our cameraman can do close-up of the mermaids, we're going to try and make those mermaids disappear. And girls, you might want to look at them like where your dad is filming. You might want to come over here and look at them, and then watch when I pour water on top. It's pretty cool. All right, tell me when there's enough polymer in there.
Girls, you need to get out of the way.
Yeah, scoot this way so your dad can still do it. All right, can you see that? Can you tell that's a mermaid right now? Only because I put it in there. You can't really tell, can you? All right, whoops. All right, let me.
Nope, I can't.
You can't tell anymore, can you? So all the little balls of polymer, they're blocking,
That looks like a
and they're changing the way the light is bouncing off so that you can't really tell. So I want you to scoot down, and when I pour water on top, I want you to tell me what happens. And Ben, if you can get like right at eye level with right down here, watch what happens, girls. All right, we're gonna do purple first. Watch. Tell me what happens.
It looks like.
Can you see the mermaid now?
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh?
But it
And
didn't.
watch this
But
one.
it did.
Can you tell it's a mermaid or
disappear.
not? Not yet.
Not yet.
Whoa,
Now we can.
is that cool?
Because it
Because-
moves it up
Does it?
and up, so the balls go up and it moves like
Well,
this.
I think there's still balls there. You can't see them because it's clear and it's full of liquid. And then when we pour more liquid on top, it helps it be clearer.
Oh, gee. Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Oh my god.
Let's see.
Hey, there is.
Let's see what these look like now, if I can even find them. Okay, look. These haven't changed that much, but they've changed a little bit. If I can get them out of here. All right, hang on one second. Watch. You remember how small these were?
Yep.
Let's see if we can hold on to them now. Okay, put your hand out.
Yay, hand.
Look, have they grown a little bit?
Yes.
A little bit. And if we leave them there overnight, this super absorbent polymer, they will be as big as these.
Can we put them inside there with the big one?
You can if you want to. Yep. All right.
Aw, look at
In
that.
2 weeks, we'll do some more polymer experiments. All right? Say bye, girls. All right, we're kind of busy playing. Bye.